Hey everyone! Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to another video of 𝐴𝐿ien𝐴lpha. So, now we are going to discuss about the most requested topic, how to edit or create a WhatsApp bot. Remember, I'm not a pro. I am also a student who learns from trials and errors. So, if I make some mistake, please forgive me and correct me if I'm wrong. So, let's start the video. Let's start from the QR generator. QR generator is used to make the web session which will be used to connect the bot to your WhatsApp account. This is one of the main process. To make the QR generator, you only need index file and a package file. I will show you how to change this index file. Open this file in your editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code here, you can use whatever you want. You can see I split this code into 3 parts. The first part is where I import all the required files, and the third part is where the process ends. The middle part is important, because that's where the connection happens and all the edits are going to be. And also there is an important line in the first part. This is the session name which will be created after you scan the QR code. Currently this is named 𝐶𝐮𝐲𝐬.JSON. You can edit it as you want. It is up to you to decide. Here you can see the option for logger. I recommend you not to edit this, because this makes the terminal clean. Otherwise you will see all the process and its outputs directly on the terminal. So don't edit this. Next one is print QR in terminal. This is used to print the QR code in the terminal. If you change the value to false, the QR code will not be printed in the terminal. So I would recommend not to edit this either. Next one is browser description. In this you can see the name 𝐴𝐿ien𝐴lpha. This will be the name shown in your WhatsApp web page in the app. Next one is the browser. I have set the browser as Opera. You can change this to Mozilla Firefox or Safari as you like. Please don't change anything else unless you know what you're doing. And there is another file called package.json. I won't recommend you to edit this either unless you know what you're doing. Also, I will show you how to make a repository in GitHub and upload your files. Now fire up your browser. Go to your GitHub account. And click the Repositories tab. I will recommend you to use desktop mode. Here you can see a green button labeled New. Click on it. And here we can configure your new repository. Give your repository a good name and set it as public or private. Then click the green button labeled Create Repository. Now, you have successfully created a new repository. Hey! If you're still watching this video, a sub to the channel will be amazing. Okay, now we're in the new repository. Here we can see some options. You can either create a new file or you can upload it from your device. I have my files open here so I will just upload it. I'm using drag and drop method. If you are using your mobile, you can select the files and upload it. If you want you can change the commit name also. After editing here hit the green button labeled Commit Changes. Now, you have successfully created a repository and uploaded your files. If you want you can edit it directly in the GitHub or you can upload your edited files later. This is it for this video. Don't think this is finished. This is just getting started. I already created a template for my bot in my GitHub. I will show you how to edit it in the following videos. So, if you want to know how to edit WhatsApp bot, hurry up and subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to turn on the notifications. Follow me on Instagram for more notification and updates. Thank you for being an awesome viewer. See you on the next video. 𝐴𝐿ien𝐴lpha, signing out.